Hello everyone, this is Enya here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this Japanese petal diamond pattern, known in Japan as Shippo. The core element of its pattern, known as the tile, is composed of a circle that is intersected with 4 other circles around it. So this is what we are going to create first. Alright, so to get started, we go to File New and we create a new composition. We give it A4, and first we're going to set guidelines. So we go to Extension, Document, Guide Creators. We set columns and rows to 2, and we click on Apply. And this creates center guides to the composition. And then we're going to make sure that snapping, bounding boxes, and all of its elements and guidelines are enabled. And then we're going to start drawing the pattern. So we take the ellipse tool, and then while holding Ctrl and Shift to expand from the center and keep the 1:1 proportions, we go ahead and we create a circle of about this size. We go to the Fill and Stroke panel, we set the stroke to none, and we are going to set the fill to blue. And then with the Selector tool, we center it in the middle of the composition. And then we're going to duplicate it to create 4 other circles around it. So we press on Ctrl D to duplicate. And we position the duplicated circle in a way that its bottom and left extremity matches the guides. And then we press on Ctrl D to duplicate it. And we position it on the other side of the vertical guide. And then we select both circles. We press on Ctrl D to duplicate them. And we position them on the other side of the horizontal guide. So now we have all the elements that we need to create the tile. So we go ahead and we select all the circles. We take the Shape Builder tool. We set the action to add. And we leave Replace Objects on. And then we go ahead and we click on the 4 intersections of the circles. And we click on Accept. So this gives us the 4 petals that we need for our tile. So now we have created the tile, and we can use it to do a pattern fill. So the way to do this, first we go to Object, Pattern, Objects to Pattern. So now we can use the tile to do a pattern fill. So I'll move it aside. And then we can create a shape, any shape. And we go to the Fill and Stroke panel. We go to Fill. And here we select Pattern. And as you can see, this sets the pattern as a pattern fill. And then we can adjust its size. So the way to do this, either we do it here at scale X and Y to make it smaller, or another way is to do it with the Node tool. So we select the Node tool, and we select the bottom right corner, and then we can make the pattern bigger or smaller as we want it. So this is the way to set a pattern fill in Inkscape. And then one last thing that I am going to show you is how to export the tile to use it to do a pattern fill in another graphic program. So we select the tile, we go to File, Export. Here we set it to Selection. We'll leave the background to Transparent. And then we can export the tile and use it to do a pattern fill in another graphic program. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create the Shippo pattern in Inkscape. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something from it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.